What's up, everybody? We are Alphabet Rockers. We make music that makes change.
Yes.
When we come to your community, it's contagious.
That's right. And we want children to know that they can be change makers by standing up, speaking out, and being proud of who they are.
Yup, it's time to rise, shine, and be woke.
And we know you're committed to creating this freedom culture in your community. We can be that resource to help you do that for all families.
Yeah. Plus, it's just plain fun. I mean, it's beats, it's rhymes, it's movements, it's cross-cultural. It makes learning come alive.
That's right. And schools kind of got this down. They understand.
Yeah.
We'll bring you in. You can perform for us. You can do workshops, or maybe even have a dance party on Friday. And people get sparked and start seeing each other. And we know this kind of learning experience can happen in any space at any time. So aren't you kind of curious about what would happen if you brought Alphabet Rockers to your community?
Let's rise together.